Our world is facing an environmental crisis, and the first way to combat this is by educating as many people as possible. As college students, learning about the world's current events and most threatening issues should be a priority in our education.
Currently, education about the factory farming industry is intrinsically motivated. That is, people need to seek it out on their own. We believe that every student at USD should have a basic education about this topic as an integral part of their liberal arts education. It is crucial for us as students to understand how our choices impact the world around us and strive for change.
This is why we would like to propose that USD implement a new food justice course as part of their core curriculum. This course will focus on factory farming and its impact on climate change, the economy, marginalized communities, and public health. The duration of the course throughout a semester would likely spark change in those who take it. Learning about issues like these is essential for students because we have the power to use our education to our advantage and spread awareness to others.
This course will include several student-run final projects related to plant-based living, which would be implemented on the USD campus. These projects would be selected by students and would display the power that our individual actions could have in solving the problems caused by factory farming. They would help students to implement personal change as well as motivate change in others and throughout campus.
The students could select to participate in a variety of projects, including a student-run garden located on the 5th floor of the SLP. Through the cultivation of this garden, the skills and ideologies learned in class would be applied long after the class would be over. This garden would emphasize that living with a plant-based diet is not as difficult as it may seem, and that cultivating your own food in a sustainable way can be a fulfilling and rewarding experience. Another project would be a carbon footprint tracker study. This would involve the use of an app which tracks students' food choices on campus and displays statistics about the amount of emissions and water usage their food choices have made. This project would aim to make students more aware of how their lifestyle choices affect the environment, as well as getting others involved to collect data and spread awareness. Through the implementation of long-term projects throughout the semester, the students would have the ability to continue their projects following the end of the class. This way, what they learned in the class could become applicable to their everyday lives.
From a brief survey, 96% of students reported that taking this course would be influential in their own lives.
With this in mind, our team strongly believes that introducing this new core curriculum course would be the most feasible and realistic way to educate USD students on the issues surrounding factory farming, with a particular emphasis on the environment, marginalized communities, and animal welfare.